Okay, so I took this trade today. We wound up being break even. Solid trade, followed my trading plan. It was a bit of a, I don't know, I call it a choppy morning. It was a choppy morning for sure. We eventually, this is all, like, this candle was during lunch session. We swept we swept was this the previous daily high? During lunch session. We did a lot of things during lunch session, and this is kind of what we did this morning, just chopped around. So no news Monday. I like this trade though, regardless. Still, daily doesn't really give us much. The 4 hour gave us some 4 hour bullish fair value gap that we were bouncing from. I had this marked up just in case we wanted to trend down to this fair value gap on the 4 hour. On the 1 hour, we had inversed this bearish fair value gap, so that was a bullish sign. Obviously, we had these equal highs above that I wasn't even targeting with this trade, but I wanted price to go towards. If you go to the 15-minute, you'll see the 15-minute fair value gap that price was respecting. And I just wanted to target this internal high right here. There was nothing in between that. I won't say that. There was a little bit of a 15-minute here that we had already tapped into with this candle. And then the 4-minute. Now the 4-minute, it's interesting. I don't have access to the 4-minute chart on Top Step X. It just doesn't. I don't know why, but we don't have data for the 4-minute. It's really weird. It's the only time frame I've found that we don't have data for. So I didn't enter with a limit because I don't have data for the 4-minute. So once I saw us close above this fair value gap and invert it on the 4-minute, I got in with a market order like right around here maybe. Still a 1-to-1. Break even was here, so you can see we broke even very fast because we shot up there right away. We took the first internal high on the way to our take profit, and then we chopped around and eventually wicked me break even. And then after wicking us break even, we went to our take profit. But yeah, it was a solid trade. Followed my trading plan. You see the sweep obviously here, inversion here, 15-minute fair value gap getting respected, targeting just an internal high, nothing crazy, trying to take our piece of the pie. 1 hour had been inverted, this fair value gap, and we were expecting a 4-hour fair value gap. So a lot of stuff made this trade make sense to take. Happy I took it. I had to break even based off my rules, and we ended up getting taken out break even. It is what it is, but solid trade today. And yeah, won't be trading tomorrow because I'll be in the office. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I will be at the charts because I'll be working from home. So hopefully we can get something on those 3 days there. But tomorrow I will not be home, so will not be trading. And tomorrow is also CPI, so we'll see what CPI does.